So first thing I'll do is to draw these functions for positive values of x. So this is our favorite parabola where the vertex is at 0, 0, or the origin. So I'm only drawing the positive part. I mean, it continues on symmetrical on this side. And then that is a line with a negative slope, and it's going to look like this. That would be the x-intercept. That one here would be 0, 52. So the first thing is, how do we interpret this minimum? So for example, if we picked this x value, you would compute what the parabola, the first part, gives you, and then you would compute what the straight line would give you, and then you pick the minimum. So that would be the minimum here. If we are at this point here, this is what the straight line would give you, and that's the parabola, and we pick the minimum value, which is that. If we're here, we do the same thing. We pick the one that's least of the two, so that would be the lower value. That's what we're looking for, the possible value of f of x. Now we're trying to maximize, and you'll see that the point we're interested in is where they intersect, because in all of the cases the value of f of x would be below that. So we really just need to find the point of intersection of these two functions. And that gives us this quadratic. That gives us a product of 104, and I can split 13 times 8 is 104. So this becomes 8x minus 13 times 8. So yeah, this is actually, no, this is 13x minus 8x, because 13 times 8 is 104. So, and then I factor out an x. I just do this in pairs, factor out a 4 here, and then I would get 2x plus 13. Some of you might be able to factor it immediately into that, but I usually do these steps. So two possible values for x. Since we're constrained to positive real number, x has to be 4. So that point of intersection happens at x equal to 4. And what's the value of the function? You can plug it in either one of these. You'll get the same answer. As you'll see, this is 32, and that's 52 minus 20 also gives you 32. And that is the maximum possible value of f of x. In all of the cases, it's going to be below that value. So the answer is 32.